2020 Dodge Durango HEMI 5.7. Take two. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. We did something different. He brought his own Black Widow, race Venoms, Widowmakers, right there. Neighbor haters, whatever you want to call them. So many different names. Anyways, Black Widow, neighbor haters, Widowmakers, there and there. We did a mid muffler delete and replaced them with them. Part number BW0012-35030. But make sure you guys get the BW0012-25, I think, which is the 2.5, because the 3-inch is way too big for this. Anyways, then we ran 2.25 pipe factory and left the factory resonators on it there and right there. And factory tips out the back. He's going to bring it back. We're going to change those out next. So it is an RT HEMI 5.7. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the kidney bean muffler that was in the middle that we cut off.
All your old painters and setting up your hair.
Yeah, that would be cool. Black Widow. Different sound. Here's sound decibels. Again. 101. Dodge Durango RT Black Widow. Neighbor haters. Factory resonators. Let you guys hear on the inside.